All right, so because of time constraints for activity 10, you guys are only going to be doing the tour journal and you're only going to be doing 10-1, this part here. This part I've moved out. This part just ignore. I'll do it with other classes, but we just don't have time. And this part we're not going to be doing either. So you are responsible for reviewing the content. You are responsible for completing the tour journal. There is a video here on the one task that I want you to complete. It will go into the assignment box, and there is no discussion for activity 10. So let's have a look. Same format. You got your tour guide. You're going to be talking about cellular respiration in general. So make sure you spend some time with the content before you do these pieces. Sorry, my computer's super slow tonight. So there's not too much to the tour journal. That's why it's due Monday, and I don't open it up until Monday. Well, actually, I'm opening it up Friday night, I guess. And then cellular respiration is the other activity that you're doing. Here's my instructional video. These images might take a minute to come up. I don't particularly like the way the content is set up for this. So I've tried to give you everything you need to do the assignment that's here on this page. So let's just scroll down. And you're going to see some information that I have just from another biology resource that I have about cellular respiration. And then this is the part from the content that I actually think is pretty good. So I've pulled out the parts that I think that you really need to pay attention to do this assignment below. So read that over. When you get to here, this is what you're doing. So you're going to explain to me the purpose of cellular respiration. Just fill it in here, full sentences. Make sure you restate the question and the answer. Some people are giving me a lot of sentence fragments. Don't do that. It's a 3C course. Take your time. You're going to tell me what the reactants are in the reaction, what the products are in the reaction for cellular respiration. All of that information can be found above. You're going to tell me what makes ATP so special. You should be able to find that either in the content or above. And you're going to tell me why the mitochondria in a cell are so important. So all that information you should be able to get out of what I've pulled here, but also if you go through the content area. So it's not a super long task. And the reason I've done that is just because we still have quite a few to get through. So I'm going to be chopping things as we go. So this will be due Monday night, but also on Monday, you're going to see that I open up activity 11. So that'll be due Tuesday, but we're just going to kind of have to pace through next week quite quickly. So I'm going to post this right now. It'll be there over the weekend, but technically none of this is due until Monday night. But I want you to be able to have a look at this first thing Monday. And also I want to get the new stuff open to you for Tuesday's lesson fairly early on Monday as well.